Third grade builder number 56. Let's start by adding 765 plus 48. Start in the ones place. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 1 more makes 11. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So our sum is 813. Now let's subtract 206 minus 77. Starting in the ones place, 6 minus 7. I have 6. I can't take 7 away. I have more on the floor, so I'm going to go next door. But I've got a 0 in my tens place, so I've got to keep walking. Take 100, turn it into 10 tens. Now I'm going to take one of the tens, turn it into 10 ones. 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 1 minus nothing is 1. 129 is our difference. Now we're going to multiply. First we multiply the 7 times the ones place. 7 times 5 is 35. Then we multiply the 7 times the tens place. 7 times 3 is 21. We add 3 more. 22, 23, 24. We get a product of 245. Our multiplication facts are 7s. They're right in order. So I'm going to sing my 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, and 63, and 70. Okay, 7 times blank equals 35. 7 times 5 equals 35. Put the 5 in this heart. 5 times 7 equals 35. Take my 35, put it here. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. And 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Decomposing fractions. We have a trapezoid that has been divided into 3 equal parts, into thirds. So we have this triangle that is 1/3 shaded, plus this triangle is 1/3 shaded. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3 shaded. 2 parts out of the 3 parts are shaded. In our geometric figures section, and name the figures. First of all, it is a polygon because it is closed and has straight sides. This polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, so it is an octagon. Octagon, like an octopus, has 8 arms. Octagon has 8 sides. Okay. It's not going to get any of these other names that we have for quadrilaterals because it doesn't have 4 sides. This shape is also a polygon because it is closed and has straight sides. And it is also called a triangle because it has 3 sides. This figure right here is also a polygon. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. 6 sides on a hexagon, then X in the middle. Okay, in the measurement section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8 shaded. On this one, we've got 3 out of 4. Or if I draw a horizontal line through this way, now I have 8 parts just like this one, and 6 out of the 8 are shaded. So those are equivalent fractions, 3/4 and 6/8. I've got 3/4 shaded here, and if I draw a vertical line here and a vertical line here, now I have 8 equal parts, and there are 2, 4, 6 out of 8, 6/8. Those 2 fractions are equivalent, 3/4 and 6/8. And then last we've got 3 eighths. So the figure that does not represent the same fraction as the others is this one right here, 3/8. On our number line, on the top, it's divided into 4 sections. So this would be 1/4, and then 2/4, another hop, 3/4, and then all the way to the end is 4/4, 4 out of 4 parts. And then on the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. So from here to here, we've gone 1 out of the 8 sections, 1/8 of the way, then 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. And these fractions would be equivalent: 1/4 and 2/8, 2/4 and 4/8, 3/4 and 6/8, and 4/4 and 8/8. Vocab. Characteristics that describe a geometric figure are called attributes. Equal measure, same shape, same size are congruent figures. A mathematical sentence where one side is not equal to the other is called an inequality. The straight outer boundary between two vertices in a two-dimensional figure is called a side. And then the point or corner in a geometric figure is a vertex. More than one are called vertices.